The Dow Jones Industrial Average rallied back into positive territory, even as the bears mauled the bulls in a mixed session. Apple, AAPL, and Tesla, TSLA, flashed sell signals, while Walt Disney, DIS, was the leading blue chips. Among other EV stocks, NIO surrendered a key benchmark, while General Motors, GM, was in positive territory. IBD 50 stock MaxLinear, MXL, led stocks passing buy points. Meanwhile, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen issued a warning about the dangers of Bitcoin. XNasdaq, S&P 500 FallThe Nasdaq was in negative territory, and struggling to rally. It was down around 1.5%. DocuSign, DOCU, was the biggest laggard, slipping almost 7%, with Peloton Interactive, PTON, not far behind. The S&P 500 was also forced lower, though it was down less than 0.5%. Pharmaceuticals stock Viatris, VTRS, was the biggest laggard, slipping more than 13% after giving disappointing 2021 revenue guidance. Volume was mixed compared to the same time Friday. It fell about 7% on the Nasdaq and was up more than 20% on the NYSE. The S&P sectors were a mixed bag, with a balance of winners and losers. Energy and financials were leading. U.S. stock market today overview index symbol price gain, loss percent change Dow Jones, 0 DJIA, 31,622.36 plus 128.04 plus 0.41 S&P 500, 0 S&P 5, 3,897.32 to 9.39 minus 0.24 NASDAQ, 0 NDQC, 13,670.05 to 204.41 minus 1.47 Russell 2000 IWM 226.04 plus 0.85 plus 0.38 IBD 50 FFTY 48.03 to 0.87 minus 1.78 last update 1:26 p.m. Eastern Time February 22, 2021. Small caps were outperforming the major indexes. The Russell 2000 was up around 0.4% and was near session highs. Growth stocks were smacked lower by the bears, with the Innovator IBD 50 ETF FFTY falling almost 2%. 360 DigiTech QFIN was the biggest IBD 50 laggard, falling almost 9%. Disney stock aids Dow Jones rally. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was the best performing major index. It managed to rally strongly after opening lower, and was up around 0.3%. The top performing component was Disney stock. It was up more almost 4%, and is looking to make a new closing high. Disney stock is now at the very top end of its buy range after breaking out of a 5-week flat base, according to MarketSmith analysis. Its ideal buy point is 183.50, while its buy zone tops out at 192.68. Weak earnings amid the coronavirus pandemic have dragged its IBD Composite Rating down to a poor 24. Disney is the IBD stock of the day for Monday. It was also added to Swing Trader today after flashing a separate buy signal by bouncing off its 21-day exponential moving average. Apple stock loses key support. Apple stock flashed a sell signal as it fell below its 50-day moving average. It is also now shy of its 10-week moving average on a weekly chart. The stock's bearish action was discussed on Monday's IBD Live. Its composite rating has come under pressure, and has now fallen to a far from ideal 76. Apple stock is now close to erasing gains from a 125.49 early entry. Investors should consider taking at least partial profits by reducing their exposure to the leaderboard stock.